How to receive payment via check in QuickBooks Online in under 2 minutes. I'm going to start my chess timer starting now. By the way, at the end of this, I'm going to tell you a hilarious accounting-related joke. So stick to the end. Let's first go see who owes us money. Come to customers. Let's say Bill. Bill has an open invoice, $85. We need to receive payment. We could click here, receive payment. Here's another way to do it. We'll go here. We will go ahead and receive payment up here. Choose our customer. It's going to be Bill. There we go. And let's go ahead and record payment by check. Okay. It's going to go to undeposited funds. And we will say $85. That's his outstanding balance. It's going to go towards this invoice. Fair enough. Record and close. Now, in fact, this has already been recorded, but we haven't said that we've actually deposited it into the bank yet. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go new, bank deposit. We're going to go deposit it into our checking. Fair enough. We're going to choose this one, this payment that we just recorded via check, and we will go save and close. Believe it or not, that's it. And if we go to our, let's just go to our chart of accounts. How about that? We'll see how it was recorded. That's fine. Let's go to our checking, check out the bank register. And what do we have here? Bill's Windsurf Shop. We have $85 has been deposited. From where? Undeposited funds, because when he gave us the check, he just handed it to us. All right, cool. So that's it. Now, accounting related joke. We still have 26 seconds here. Where did the homeless accountant sleep? In his accountant. Think about it. Hey, you can check out the links in the description for other videos from me. I'm also starting to add some cool things that I use to help myself run my bookkeeping and accounting shop. Okay, so check all those out. And until the next time, I wish you the best. Be the best.